So guys, we're in a crazy time at the moment, and we are seeing prices rise, both from a property prices, which is amazing, like considering the uncertainty. We're still having multiple buyers on every transaction, but we're also seeing obviously construction prices rise and the cost of living rise as well. So as this diesel shortage continues to happen and fuel shortage continues to happen, everything that needs delivery from your food being manufactured from the farmers, and to all the materials that you see here needs to be manufactured and needs to be delivered to site. It all requires fuel, it all requires diesel, and we're seeing people put fuel levies on all sorts of stuff, and it's obviously increasing the price. It's creating, well, it hasn't just yet, but it will create more inflation. And what that actually means is that things are obviously going to get more expensive, and your purchasing power, or your cash that you have in the bank, has less purchasing power. So what you could buy for $100 today, in say 3 months time, it may cost you $102, or it may cost you $103. So, you know, that's going to the extremes, but that's the reality of inflation. And when things like this happens, inflation rises quickly, and it means that your purchasing power decreases. But what it also means is that you can use inflation to your benefit by using and investing in hard assets like this and borrowing against them. So if you purchase something like this in cash, obviously as inflation rises, generally speaking, the rents will rise with it. So you can sort of counteract the inflation by that. So your rents will rise with the inflation. But also if you leverage yourself and you leverage the bank's money to purchase something like this, you're not actually having to fork out your own cash. You're borrowing from the bank. So that debt, let's just say it's $500,000 of debt. In 2 years' time, the inflation has hit the project, and it's now no longer worth, say, $800,000. It's now worth $1 million, but your debt level is still the same. So you're paying off today's debt with tomorrow's money. And so it's a really good way to try and combat the inflation and combat the effects of inflation for yourself and for your family, is to invest in good, solid, hard assets like this that cash flow really well. Now guys, if you need a hand doing that, by all means, do reach out. We're helping investors build things exactly like this all the time, and we would love to help you. So guys, don't be shy, reach out. If you've got some lazy equity or you've got cash in the bank that's doing nothing, put it to work, and don't let inflation be negative or too much of a negative thing for you. Try and combat it as best you can by purchasing good hard assets like this, and using leverage. So on that note guys, I'll keep moving. Enjoy yourself. We'll chat soon.